Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the meter off and removing the test strip. This prevents false readings and protects the strip port. Once done, place the meter face up on a clean, well-lit surface and get a small flat tool ready. You only need light leverage. Make sure you have the correct replacement battery type on hand so you can compare size and polarity. This first step keeps the electronics safe and sets you up to open the compartment cleanly and confidently. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back or side. Many models use a sliding door or small screw. If you see a screw, use the correct screwdriver. If it's a clip, insert the flat tool gently at the seam and pry just enough to release it. Forcing it can crack the case. Once open, note the battery orientation and check for a plastic insulating tab. Remove that tab if present. It prevents discharge during storage, and you'll need to take it out before inserting a fresh cell. Finally, remove the old cell using a non-metal tool to avoid shorting. Inspect the cavity for corrosion. If you see residue, gently clean with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol and let dry. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity, press the cover back into place, and resecure any screws. Power the meter on and run a control or a test strip to verify function. If the meter won't power up, double-check polarity and screw tension.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.